So to give you a close-up look of what our floor pattern is looking like in our kitchen, this is it. And what we did is we went to Lowe's and we picked up some towel there. What we picked up was the Style Selections Groutable vinyl towel in an 18 by 18 inch. And this towel is great. It's a do-it-yourself stick, so that makes the installation very easy. And you can use it with grout or you can use it without grout. That's not a problem. With the grout, it gives it a protective, water-resistant layer. So we picked this towel up, and the color that we got is called Castaway. And here is one of the 18 by 18 sheets of vinyl. So if you look at it, it is gray, but it also has like taupe in it to kind of warm up that gray so it doesn't look so cold and starch. And since we were doing a pattern, we went with the groutable to grout it. So we purchased grout, and you can get this grout there at the same place in the same aisle. It is actually designed and made for this towel. The color that we got was slate gray because we didn't want a color that would be contrasting to the towel itself. So we picked that up, and from this 18 by 18 inch towel we created our pattern. We went online and we picked up this pattern, and I'll insert it here. This pattern is from Crossville, and it's ideal number 29, which is the hopscotch pattern. So if you look at this red would be a 6 by 6, the blue would be a 12 by 12, and the green is the 18 by 18 itself. So from this towel we cut a 6 by 6 piece, and that's going to be this piece here. And to get a 12 by 12 piece, we just got a cheap towel there, and this is your 12 by 12, and that is going to be this piece here. And then we have the 18 by 18, which is this piece here. So, and this is our pattern here. So we were able to grout it. So some supplies that you're going to need, and by the way, after you make the cuts, you will be left with some leftover that you can use for different projects. We're going to do our bathrooms with it, but you'll be left with some other pieces that you can fill in the edges with. But we're going to take all the pieces that we have left and do our bathrooms with them and create a different pattern. So some supplies that you will need is a heating gun. You'll need this to warm the towel up because it is a peel and stick, which is great. And you're able to put this over your existing floors. That's wonderful. You're able to put it over your existing floors. You don't have to do a subfloor. You don't have to worry about cutting ceramic tile, getting a wet saw or anything. You can make your cuts with a paper cutter, and that's what we utilize. We got this paper cutter from Walmart, and it's like you see in the office, the paper cutter cuts your paper. This is what we utilize, and it has measurements on it, so that helped us out a great bit in getting our cuts precise. And you also need like a cutting tool blade to kind of do some fine cutting. Those are some things, pretty much all the things that you'll need, and you'll have to get a large sponge to do your grout if you're going to do the grout way. But you don't have to. You can actually bump the towels up next to each other and use it that way. So with that said, I'll go ahead and insert some pictures of our kitchen floor and how it turned out. And I'll see you in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that like button. Give us a thumbs up and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos that we upload. I'll see you in the comments.